Skill Review. 1. Psychology.
Some people can remember things in a way that seems almost impossible. It's as if their minds just take photos. They might be able to repeat a lecture word for word. They can even accomplish this feat many years later. Some very good chess players can play with their eyes covered. This is called blindfold chess. They can play against several other players at once and win. Someone tells them the other player's moves. They can easily remember where the pieces are on all the boards. Scientists call this eidetic memory, though many people call it photographic memory. However, this may be misleading. Scientists believe the memories are not stored photographically, but in another way. A scientist named Dr. de Groot did a test to show this. A chessboard was set up a certain way, and some chess players were given 15 seconds to look at it. Then, they were asked to set the pieces up again in the same way. The more seasoned chess players easily set up the pieces again. The beginners had a more difficult time doing it. In the next test, Dr. de Groot began in the same way. However, this time he set them up in a way that would never happen in a real game. Now, the really good players had difficulty remembering too, remembering only as well as the beginning players. It seemed they needed to apply their knowledge of what was really possible in a game. That is, they needed to apply what they knew about chess to remember well.
Number 1. What is the talk mainly about? Number 2. How does the professor explain eidetic memory? Choose 3 answers. Number 3. Why does the professor say this?
Now, the really good players had difficulty remembering too, remembering only as well as the beginning players. It seemed they needed to apply their knowledge of what was really possible in a game.
Number 4. Match the words below with the correct category. Number 5. What can be inferred from the talk? Number 6. The professor explains the process in the experiment. Summarize the process by putting the steps in the correct order.